So this is class third B. Class third B. Class third class third B. Subject GK and date 10/10/2020 and we are studying lesson 34. Lesson 34 and page number 48. Page number 48 and the lesson name is Olympics events. Olympics events. So we are familiar to the games and Olympic game is a very important game. So many events are there. We are here identifying some events, and to see page number 48 and some diagrams are given, and on the basis of diagram you have to find the name of the events. So these are the lists of the games. So you can find from the help box. So first diagram you see, that is first diagram, that is establishes. First is establishes, and now second you see, second, that is synchronized swimming. Second one is synchronized swimming. Synchronized swimming. Synchronized swimming second. Now third you try to understand, and third is, that is the trampoline. Trampoline, and fourth you see, fourth events. Fourth, that is the curling. Fourth is curling. Fourth is curling, and Fifth, you can see the fifth. Fifth is race walking. So fifth is race walking. Now six you see. Six, just like the horse riding. So six is dresses. Six is dresses. Six is dresses. Now see next. Seventh. So seventh, as you see that is one hill is there. So this name of this game is mountain biking. This is mountain biking. Chi. We can write seventh here. That is mountain biking. And eighth, last is eighth is fencing. So this is the events. These are the Olympic events. So once again you see the diagram that is given page number 48 and try to identify the events, identify the games. So first diagram is steeplechase. Second one, synchronized swimming. Second one, synchronized swimming. And third, trampoline. Third one is trampoline. And fourth, that is curling. Fourth is curling. And fifth, that is race walking. Fifth is race walking. And sixth is dresses. And seventh, mountain biking. And eighth is fencing. So these are different Olympic events. So one more important thing is there. Did you know? Also read, did you know? Surfing, climbing and skateboarding are to be included in the Olympic Games 2020. Now this time it is once again you see. Did you know surfing, climbing and skateboarding are to be included in the Olympic Games 2020? If this game was organized, then these games could be included. So you read, once again you read yourself, and after reading, try to understand and write the answers in your the textbook, and after that notebook you can write. Thank you. That's part of the only.